guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this halfway split text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select these colors and I'm just going to select the 1:1 ratio. You can choose any ratio that you want. And I'm just going to add in 2 colors, and on the second one I'm going to go to mask, horizontal, and I'm going to split it kind of diagonally like that. Then I'm going to add in a text here, and I'm going to type in floral, because why not? And I'm also going to select a font for it, maybe this one. And I'm going to color it the same color as the background. So I'm going to copy and paste these like so. Right click, create compound clip on each ones. And I'm going to just select the one on top, and I'm going to select horizontal, and I'm just going to split it this way. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!